Umehluleli uMawumela uthi akatholanga nethuba lokufunda incwadi equkethe isicelo sokuthi ummeli kaKhumalo abuye enkantolo ngenxa yokuthi bithunyelwe kunobhala wenkantolo esikhundleni sakhe. Abameli babasolwa kanye nombuso bathe basiphikisile isicelo sika Moonsamy bethi lokho kungabukela phansi amalungelo abasolwa.
Her situation is also distinguishable from where a watching brief represents a client who will not be requested to testify. For instance, where the watching brief is merely observing the proceedings, and we say her situation is different because her client will be called upon to testify.
With regard to her requesting copies of the docket or transcript from the state, it is also unethical because it will tamper with the other witnesses. It means her client will see what other witnesses will say, and maybe they might even try or attempt to consult those witnesses outside the court.
There is no prejudice that will be suffered by Ms. Kelly Khumalo if her watching brief is not allowed in this court. Instead, the prejudice will be suffered by the accused before this court. Because in other words, she's demanding to have information before she comes to testify, my lord, which is not allowed in law.
Ijaji uMawumela usichithile lesicelo wathi inkantolo isamile esinqumweni eyasenza ngodaba lokuba khona kukammeli kaKhumalo enkantolo.
The court stands by the ruling it has made, and also that all of the parties involved are of that view that the ruling already in place should rule the day without any changes, since nothing has changed ever since that ruling was made.
Owayengumngani kaMeyiwa uTumelo Madlala ubeseqhubeka nokuphekwa ngemibuzo. Ubuzwe ukuthi ucabangani ngokuthi amaphoyisa ajika endlini kaKelly Khumalo ngemva kokuthi ashaya ucingo eshayela umuntu ongaziwa.
Angazi ngizokuphendula ngithi ngalokho mhlambe mase kuyisikhathi sakhe yena uKelly angeza azoyiphendulela ngeke ngiphendule into eyenzeka lapha khona yena uzoyiphendulela nje nami ngiyiphendulela nje.
Leli cala liyaqhubeka.